About the Parnis that came from parnis.org, the official site of Parnis with 2 years warranty, etc. Okay, so it's the regular box of Parnis with a manual in Chinese, of course. I guess in English too. And the warranty on the side says 2 years, but here says 1 year warranty. I don't know why. So let's see the watch. And that's it. It's brand new, as you can see. Just a moment to remove the tag. Okay. And so that's it. It's quite heavy. The Premium 27 is with sunburned silver dial and blue hands and Latin numerals. There's a two-tone steel 316L. Let's remove those plastics. Okay. Just a moment to remove the plastics. I bought it for 150 euros. It came in 3 days. Oh, yes. With DHL Express in Greece. I live in Athens, Greece. So that's it. You can see the two-tone bracelet with it's brass and also it's brass and also half brass, half shine bracelet. Is 41 millimeters width and not 42. The bracelet, the lug width is 21 to 16. This is a nice buckle clasp. Oh. It's not the regular buckle of Parnis watches. Let's see, but it's of course mechanical self-winding Miyota let's see, what time is it? Okay, and change the date. Today is 19. Okay, and there's a screw-in crown. It feels okay for the price. It's a very nice watch. The bracelet is a little bit light and a bit loose here. You see here, it's a little bit loose. I don't know if this is normal. Okay, let's put it on. It's not fixed yet for my hand, but it's okay. My wrist is 18 centimeters. The crystal sapphire with it's sapphire crystal with for the date, I mean, there's a magnifying part, and this is it. Also The self-weighting is hacking seconds, as you see earlier, and that's it. This is the unbranded Premier 27 of Parnis is an homage of Datejust Rolex in 41 and not 42 millimeters. So that's it. Nice. Also the links is with is screwed links. You see here. So you can change it with a screwdriver. It's easy. Thank you.